you're watching this video, I would at least hope that you're not in 2023 yet. In fact, at the time of recording this video, we are less than 7 hours from 2023. And these are some things that I feel that you guys should take into consideration before getting to 2023. But before we get there, make sure you guys shop at alexanderbrand.com. It is my brand where I sell clothing, essential oils, smell good oils, all those, aromatherapy bracelets, all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and get into it, right? So look, the reason why I felt compelled to make this very last minute video of things that you guys should know before going into 2023 is because I was like, okay, a lot of people make New Year's resolutions and nobody really sticks to them after like January 4th. So I just want to give you guys some real life game on things that you guys should definitely take into consideration and things that you guys should actually do moving into 2023. Number one is taking control of your finances. So if you guys don't know, in the United States right now, technically we are going through a recession. Meaning, money's not coming in how it used to be coming in. And a lot of people have been getting fired from their jobs, especially if you work in the tech industry. And a lot of people are going to get fired from their jobs. So number one thing that you guys should be doing is learning new skill sets to where you'll be able to earn as much money as possible. Next, you guys want to save more money, right? So according to like a lot of statistics earlier this year in 2022, a lot of Americans do not have $1,000 in their bank account, which is crazy. But we got to change that. So, even if you have to develop a side hustle, whether selling real estate, selling oils like I do, or learn how to build websites, getting into the tech industry, whatever. You always want to be able to master the skill of having it and being able to create income from $0, right? So definitely learn the skill set. I would say the second thing is to prioritize your health. Over the last 2 years, we've seen the likes of the COVID pandemic pretty much wipe out a lot of people. And for those who didn't get vaccinated, even if you didn't get vaccinated, I'm pretty sure if you didn't catch COVID, you took care of your health. So with that being said, guys, you got to prioritize your health. Start eating a lot better. Start working out. Stay consistent with it. I recommend that everybody at least work out 2 days out the week, if anything. And just start watching the foods that you put in your body. Start taking your herbals, supplements. I personally take sea moss and a lot of other herbs. And I tend to eat healthy 24/7. I practice a vegan lifestyle. We cook with raw vegetables and fruits. But, that may not be for you. But you always want to take into consideration that your health, is your wealth. Your body's like a car. So, once you mess up this thing that we have, this beautiful thing that we have, you only get one body, and you're not guaranteed to get a replacement if something goes left. So yeah. Number 3, and by the way guys, this video is completely freestyle, but I just felt like you guys should take these thoughts into consideration before getting into 2023. So number 3 I say would be master the skill set of networking. A lot of people are in a crazy situation, and with them being in a crazy situation, a lot of people who want to be rich, or a lot of people want to be successful. A lot of things in life is really based off who you know, not really what you know. So I encourage everybody, especially if you're a young person in their 20s like myself, to go out and network and meet new people every single day. It wasn't until I started networking this year to where I was able to go to Miami, I was able to go to Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and a lot of other places this year. And I wouldn't have really gotten that done or gotten new business ventures done if I did not network. So networking is definitely a critical skill that everybody should master in 2023. And lastly, just make sure you guys stay alive. Try to stay out of trouble, try to stay out the way, and don't party too hard. And hopefully, if you are watching this video in 2023, it means you made it. You're blessed to be alive. And lastly, I just wanted to let you guys know that new content is coming to all 2023. I'm doing reviews on all the craziest criminal cases, especially in hip hop. The YSL case is a case that I'm gonna be covering after this video. Hopefully it drops after this video. Might drop an Andrew Tate video afterwards, but you know, we'll see. But I'll see you guys in 2023. Comment below, let me know how you guys like this video. Also, excuse the mess. This is actually my room. Working on getting the studio built. Working on going back to my old studio as well too. But you know, until then. Bonus clip. I completely forgot. If you guys are watching this in 2023, especially January 1st, 2023, don't forget to pay your rent. The rent's due.